Awesome. Hi, everyone. Thanks for joining the meeting. Yeah, so today we're going to be going through updates from ZecHub. Let me quickly share my screen. Share screen, this one, I think. All right, so yeah, recent stuff. We've just posted a tutorial on MetaMask, shielded Zcash, Snap. Yeah, this one took a while to get out. Yeah, but yeah, thanks to Vito. He did a lot of magic stuff in editing, making it look good. Um, yeah, so we had some major updates to the ZecHub wiki. I guess tying into the MetaMask thing, MetaMask is now added. It has a rating of 0 at the moment. So if you like the snap, give it a thumbs up. Yay. Yeah, other stuff that's been happening on the wiki. The major change is the new dashboard is now live thanks to SpeedFox. There is still sorry, is there someone there? Oh no, okay. Yeah, so there is still some small issue. I think this is to do with the interval that's being used. So intermittently goes to 0. But yeah, the charts look amazing. They work perfectly fine if you select like an individual chart. It's a lot more organized. So yeah, one other thing that we need to do is update the blockchain API key. Yes, indeed. So yeah, a lot more organized. You can click through difficulty and issuance, lockbox. Maybe something we could add later is to display the current lockbox amount. We have net flows. So it was Tron that submitted a pull request which contained an update that was requested by Dismad to correct the way net flow is displayed on the dashboard, i.e., if it goes down, it should be green. If it goes up, it should be red. So this needs to be corrected.
So as you can see, there's a lot of coins going into the shielded pool. And if you hover the mouse over it, it'll tell you which, maybe we could indicate which pool it is, Squirrel, by a different, not color, but like maybe a different, like checkered versus stripes or something. I don't know.
That'd be cool. I definitely agreed, yeah. And Namada chart has been updated. We now display boards. Dismad, I don't understand any of this. Could you perhaps explain?
Sure. So the red line is the inflation rate. So that's been stable. And then the staked ratio is related to the annual staking rewards. So as the staking ratio goes down, the rewards go up. And as you can see, there's, I don't know, I'm hearing somebody talk. So as the staking ratio goes down, the annual staking rewards goes up. So you can see the relationship there. And this graphs this in, I take a snapshot every day. So it's daily snapshot. So it's pretty interesting that you can see it, how it works. And it's just another tool that you can use. And all this data is in our GitHub. It's all open source. So this is just a really cool way of visualizing it.
Nice. And yeah, thanks to I think it was senior dev that did the work. Thank you.
Yeah, nice job, senior dev. Really like your work. Oh, and
And
real
yeah,
quick,
sorry.
senior dev, can you drop that link of the other thing that you were working on? Is that okay to share with everyone? We're going to get this added shortly. And basically, it's a page with all the governance proposals and all the parameters in lifetime. Oh, here, let
Yeah,
me.
I think it was merged, but I don't know the URL. Was it governance how to? Oh no, you mean the Namada one?
Here, I'll drop it.
Yeah. So I don't know. Did we set up Namada .wiki.zec? I don't think this is set up yet. Is it?
So this is how it's going to look once we get it updated.
Yeah.
So as you can see, all the protocol parameters are nicely presented. It also shows you the government's proposals, the
Yeah,
IDs,
there it is.
and our validator info. And all this is again in the GitHub. It pulls it from a full node, and it updates every day. So thank you, sir. That's really nice work.
And yeah, that's um something I will do. I'll set up the link to the subdomain. Something else we created. So like with all this Namada stuff, like we need a place to put it. So now we have a GitHub repo for the Namada things. I think senior dev and Dismad have made some initial additions to it. And so yeah, as was agreed upon by the DAO, this is where we're going to put the Namada things. And yeah, it'll be at namada.zechub.wiki. Just to add some slight separation between Zcash and our projects that we work with as well. Right. So let me go back to zechub.wiki. Yeah. So Tron added an Arbris calls page and a governance how-to page. I know the OmniFlix link that he gave us. Omni Wiki.
Yeah. By the way, Squirrel,
Yeah.
Zcash Ghana in particular is going to use the OmniFlix workshops with an upcoming event they're planning. He reached out to
Very
me.
cool. Yeah, I think we're missing workshop 1. Let's get that added as well. Oh, sorry. Workshop 1. Yeah, something cool that happened was in our previous meeting, we had someone from ZK Ballot join, and then like a couple of days later, we saw that there was a whole news article showing a new electronic voting platform that uses Zcash. It's pretty cool to have them join us and yeah, discuss the hackathon for a bit. Speaking of that, the link is live, and in fact, I should have shown you. This is the homepage, and on the homepage, we now have a little hackathon thingy that people can click through to go here. We updated some of the amounts, and yeah, I think at this point we're just finalizing the announcement. I don't know, Jason, do we have any details? We actually joined a. Let me see if I can get the link. Is it in Signal? So
You're
we
talking about
joined
the Telegram
a.
group?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not sure how helpful those folks are going to be. It sounds like she's tied up with another in person. Yeah, that one, the Fork That NYC Near Hackathon. So it sounds like there's a couple like in real life hackathons going on for Near. Um, the guy that I wanted to talk to about supplementing the funding is out this week and not back till Monday. I'll still put together like an announcement, um, but I think it might be until like Monday when we nail down how much, um, you know, prize money that we'll be able to put forward.
Awesome. Okay, that works. But yeah, it's pretty cool that we have like communication between us and Near, and this might be useful, like to bring in people who are going to compete in the hackathon. It's good to see.
Yeah.
Something that happened over the weekend. Dismad notified me, like, take a look at the donations address, and we received a sizable donation anonymously. And so because of that, we are able to list a bunch more tasks for people. And so yeah, this week we're getting some new designs for the ZecHub store. And yeah, we're working on a payment processors page. So we do already have one. It just doesn't look great. Let me see if I can find processors. I think it will be here. No. Yeah, so we have a payment processors page, but it's just like a messy list. What I would like for it to look like is something like a wallets page with cards, so that people who are interested in receiving Zcash payments have a place like this that can show them which pools they'll be receiving with each payment processor, and like which sites they'll be able to use it with, like which store platforms they'll be able to integrate with and stuff.
Yeah, I agree with Zero Darts. So it should be very easy to find on the front page somewhere, hopefully.
Yeah, 1-2 clicks away. Yeah, so like something I've been meaning to do is add, I think it was mentioned in the past, like these drop down lists don't display everything. Like take for example, like this is the full list here, but it's not shown in the drop down. So we should be adding all of these to each of the drop downs, so people have like one click access to everything if they're on the homepage. All right. So yeah, I think we went through the developers page and the quick start guides last time. Yeah, Zork's been keeping the Zcash event calendar up to date. And yeah, I would like to add the hackathon to this Web3 Privacy Now thingy, which they have. Initiatives. Yeah.
Does Web3 Privacy have an entry for ZecHub by chance in their directory? Maybe that's something we can add.
No, they do have Zcash. So we could list it as a Zcash thing. Effectively, it is. But I don't know. I don't know how we would. Web3 Privacy Database.
Yeah, that's what I meant. Scroll the database. Like we should have something in here because we're
Under
definitely
DAO.
under DAOs. Yep.
Yeah. I'll make a note of that.
Yeah, maybe one of the DAO members could do pull requests. That would be sweet.
Web3 privacy now DAO. Cool. Other stuff we've been working on. I am writing an article on the Online Safety Act, 0 to 0 knowledge on payment processes. Today I just finished recording a tutorial on Brave. I'll be writing an updated script for Maine, who's doing the animation on Redbridge. And I've got written down here 0 to 0 knowledge, Light Wallet D, T addresses. Was that you, Dismad?
I'm sorry, Squirrel.
Something about Light Wallet D and Tatters.
Oh yes. So just the FYI, I've been doing a lot of testing with multiple wallets in the ecosystem, including Zingo and ZCool. And since I am running my own Light Wallet D node, I've noticed when you use Light Wallet D and you connect, like the way Light Wallet D works is it lists all the transparent addresses in your wallet, even if you don't actually use them. So I've been talking to Zango Labs and Pong, and ZCool actually has a cool feature where if you import a seed, you can specifically tell it to not include the transparent pool, and it avoids this issue. So I just wanted to highlight that because it is somewhat of a privacy leak, and it might not be well known. So I just wanted to communicate that to the folks who might care.
Right. So if I understand you correctly, even if you don't use your transparent address in your wallet, the Light Wallet D server still knows about the transparent address. Is that correct?
Yes, it logs it. And even if like on Y Wallet, if you have multiple accounts and you're only using a particular account, it'll log all the T addresses for all your accounts, irregardless. It just scans everything. The only way to avoid that is to use ZCool and you specifically disable accounts, because that's another feature, or you use that import feature where you don't include the transparent pool. So
yeah.
I'm not saying this because I'm against transparent addresses, because I actually think they're necessary to interface with DeFi. But if I want to use an account that has 0 transparent addresses, I think it should be communicated that if I don't intend to leak a T address, it shouldn't do it behind the scenes without me knowing about it.
True. I think there is a fix coming. I don't know the progress of it, but like I've heard devs talking about including transparent data in compact blocks. So that would like just resolve everything, right?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the ECC devs are aware of the issue and are working on fixes. And I've been talking to Zonkas and trying to get the Zingo wallet updated as well. And yeah, I mean, all we can do is just move forward and make it better. So there's, it's like with any problem, there's perfect isn't an option. It's just a matter of improving what you have, and we'll fix it.
Yep. Other big development here, we have Zcash Ukraine, which had the proposal approved for September to November. I think the Zcash Korea ambassador funding from ZecHub stopped this past week. And so, yeah, we've set up a channel in Discord with global ambassadors. It still doesn't have everyone in there yet. I wasn't able to send out links to everyone on Telegram, but there is the bridge that was set up thanks to Vito. And so we're going to be using that channel to coordinate around firstly the hackathon and yeah, maybe towards other things like upcoming events. Yeah, Vito, anything to add the things you're working on?
There is also the Nano GPT tutorial that we are planning, and I'm gonna finish the NIN VPN. There are a bunch of videos from the ZCC summit that I need to take a look, and tomorrow I'll be adding the video for Zenith, if I'm not wrong, recorded by this man, and some articles that I'm still writing. And yeah, we are ready for the feedback from Shapeshift about the integration of Zach that we had a meeting with them, I think last week, if I'm not wrong, or I can't remember now.
Yeah, I think it was last week. And yeah, that's basic. Oh yeah, we
Hello.
sent out as hey.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, is the floor open for me to speak?
The floor is
I should hold
open.
on.
No, go ahead.
Okay. Good day, everyone. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening from wherever your time zone is. The Zcash Ghana is planning a physical meetup this August. Details will come out, and I would want to appeal because we'll be called for one or two speakers who may uh, speak to the audience remotely from wherever you are, and you may just say one or two about Zcash or probably ZecHub. So we are still putting arrangement in place, and want to appeal that if I reach out to you, I make a call for appeal. Some persons, one or two, please allow. If you cannot speak, if you are not chance, you can do a recorded version of it that we can play to the audience about whatever topic as regards Zcash that you want to talk about. So, or I will pass the topic to you and you just do a recorded section. That's if you will not be chance that on that day. So I just want to chip in this so that everyone is aware about it. Thank you.
Thanks. You're doing great work. Yeah, I'd be happy to join. Just let me know when.
All right, thank you. It's a physical meetup we are planning, not virtual. It's a physical meetup.
Okay.
Physical, but maybe you can. That the speaker now can speak remotely to join. Then we share screen to the audience, and the speaker can speak remotely because of logistics to bring in a speaker from different country to Ghana. But it's a physical meetup we are working towards this August. So, and we believe all things will work out fine for the meetup to hold. So we are doing our best to see how we have a physical meetup on ground Ghana. Thank you.
Nice. Yeah. If we are able to help with like promotional material which we can share across all of the socials to get people involved in speaking or attending, let us know. We can help with that.
All right. Thank you.
Lovely. Yeah, we also sent out DYK, so we still need to. I think. Yeah, let me just check the chat. We're working with Croy on artwork for upcoming pieces that we're going to release this month. Yeah, so one of them is. Sorry.
Oh, I'll wait till you're done, Squirrel.
No, I was just looking for the topics. Yeah, we sent out the Light Wallet D video via YouTube, and yeah, Croy's working on 0 to 0 knowledge artwork.
So another thing I want to bring to the DAO's attention and to anyone who's listening is in the forums, Jason has asked for potential candidates for voting authorities for the upcoming shielded vote. I will make myself available for folks who want to participate and need help or guidance, because it's a little bit involved, but we do need to decentralize this and we need more folks to participate. So the call out is to get involved, and I think there's no better way to learn than to do. So yeah, let's make this another good voting shielded. So this will be the second shielded voting we've ever done. So I'm pretty excited to get more folks involved and running nodes.
Huge thank you to Dismat for helping out here. He's been awesome.
Yeah, would it be worth like a workshop or something that we can make available to people, so if they want to participate, they can just learn how to do it and get going?
Well, at the very least, we should definitely I think we should make a guide.
Yeah.
But I'm open to ideas here.
Yeah, I think we also have a Zenith video coming.
Yeah, so Zenith is a full node wallet, which doesn't need Light Wallet D, and it also includes an RPC server. So be on the lookout. I did a complete demo on how that works. So it's a wallet that is available for small business or for whatever your needs are. So look forward. I look forward to that coming out soon once Speedo finishes his magic.
Yep. New Shielded Dialogues podcast dropping soon also.
Yeah, that was the one that we recorded at the Zec Summit in Prague. Zero did an awesome job editing it, and then I'll post it later this week. Yeah, Strad and Nate Wilcox were just absolute fire on it.
Yep, so that's kind of everything we have happening. Can't think of anything else at the moment. Yeah.
The only other thing we also have pending is on the Namada Penumbra side. I did another tutorial on how to send shielded Penumbra onto Namada using the command line interface. So it's technical, but as you may or may not know, you can actually send Penumbra using their browser wallet yet. So this is showing you how to do it using the command line. But so that's a little bit in the queue, but it is coming eventually.
Nice.
Yes, Matt, you mentioned that a lot of people are shutting off their validators for Namada because it's they're no longer profitable because the prices dropped down so low. So it costs more to like run the software than the actual income they're bringing in. Is that an opportunity for the ZecHub validator to get more delegations? Like, is there anything we can do there?
Yeah, I mean, the dynamics are playing out in real time. This is it's been an experiment as far as I've seen, because remember that the Namada release was completely open. There's no, there's no locked coin, so everything's open.
Yeah.
And the price has gone very low, I think, to expectations. And from my time on the in the forums and on the support groups, I've been noticing morale's a little lower than it should be, and folks have been running nodes for over a year now. So some of them are dropping off, but the hope is that, as you alluded to, as more folks drop off, the rewards go up, and you can see that in the graphs that we created. So, but I don't know what's going to happen, but it's another way of learning how to use BFT notes, which, as as we have coming up, we have coin votes and then eventually crosslink. So running the software is to our benefit one way or the other. So it's been fun.
Hey, speaking about fun, does anyone have ideas for maybe a community event that we could do over the next 2 weeks?
Not everyone at the same time.
A game.
Were you guys did poker tournaments previously? Were those like well received? Did a lot of people participate?
Yeah. People do like to gamble.
We are planning shoot the chess, right? Something like that.
Yeah, that was the next one. It was meant to be chess. Yeah, we could do that. I think I know Arya and Zuko play chess.
Hell yeah. Garrick is also pretty fun, but let's choose chess for the next one.
Rap battle.
Rap battle.
AI generated meme battle. That is a great idea. That is good. I like this.
Well, you can only talk in GIF.
Okay. Yeah. I think we could make time to get at least one of those going. Yeah, so senior dev, we've been working together a lot over the past 2 weeks. You can chime in have you got any comments, requests? I did not get that. Okay. Yeah. Is there anything you'd like to mention as part of the meeting? Nothing really. Okay. Cool. Well, yeah, thanks everyone for joining. Let me know if you've got anything, any feedback or comments. You could just shout me in the main chat. I'm here.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Oh, one last thing, Squirrel, I forgot. If you run nodes, make sure you run the up-to-date Zcash Oh, right on, Dan. Thank you. Bam. So yeah, if you run Zcash still, make sure you update to the latest version and the newest version of Zebra, because I believe in the next few weeks, the testnet for NU 6.1 will be activated, and you'll need the most up-to-date nodes to utilize those upgrades. So be on the lookout, and just wanted to let you guys know.
Thanks, Dan. All right, cheers, everyone. Take care.
Cheers. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you guys.